Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto. As we all know, the DeFi world is exploding, getting bigger and bigger. Now, today we're going to look at a different option, the animal farm. In my opinion, direct competition with PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap has proven itself and it's built itself up. Now, can the animal farm be in the shadow of PancakeSwap? We'll go through what's the options, and I'll leave you with my strategy on how I'm gonna keep on gaining and banking profits. The animal farm is the first deflationary, full decentralized ownership yield farm lending protocol where participants earn as an owner of the network. The super wealthy do not build and protect their wealth through selling their assets. They accumulate and then leverage their assets while living off the dividends. The animal farm captures the financial power and puts it in the hands of the platform participants. Now, this is an important part, living off the dividends. If you go into the stock market, you can buy different stocks which pay you dividends monthly, quarterly, or yearly, depending on the kind of stock you buy. You hold that stock for years, and each time there's a dividend payout, you get that and you can live off it. And now, with the animal farm, we have a similar option. Accumulate your share of the network by farming PIX government's tokens, while leveraging your collateralized assets through our Substrata lending protocol to collect a high yield BUSD dividend without ever selling your underlying assets. Now that's important. Without ever selling your underlying assets, you're earning BUSD, meaning you can stake it, you can leave it there, and you can just live off the rewards. Deposit fees and taxes goes to the PIX stakers as BUSD rewards. All taxes associated with core tokens goes towards rewarding platform participants and generating BUSD rewards for stakers. Very important here. If you look at the TVL, $327 million. If you look at the BUSD rewards, $1.1 million. If you look at the BUSD vault, $3.5 million. Now it's set up in a way where the vault should keep on growing and the payouts stays behind. The fees that comes in is more than the BUSD rewards getting paid out each day. Dynamic emission rates based on current demand, allowing for price appreciation of dogs and pigs in all market conditions. Very important. It's structured in a way where dogs and pigs prices should keep on going up over time. Full government's protocol giving pig stakers a vote in future opportunities, meaning this is not the end of the animal farm. It's just the beginning. More and more opportunities will be added, and the community has a say in it. Collateral staked on the platform is rehypothecated to PancakeSwap's lending protocol to earn additional yield, which goes towards buying dogs and pigs directly from the market and selling them to a burn address. Selling the dogs and pigs to a burn address, meaning it's making it deflationary. The total supply will decrease, giving the coins the better opportunity to keep on growing in price. Millions in BUSD rewards already in the vault, ready to pay out the high yield BUSD dividend and buy the dogs and pigs directly off the market, removing them from circulation, making it a deflationary coin. From the developers of Drip, the fastest growing and highest ranked DeFi protocol on the Binance Smart Chain. Now, if you know Drip, you'll know it's a project with massive success, and this is the same developer, in my opinion, giving this a high potential for great success for the future. And I do like the fact that you can stake and just live off your dividends depending on the strategy you implement. Now let's have a look at the farms. They have quite a few farms running. the 𝙏𝙗 BUSD, which is an important one, 𝙏𝙗 𝙏𝐵NB, which is also important. Then they have the DRIP BUSD form. They have the 𝙏𝐵NB BUSD form. And now, this I do like a lot. They have the stablecoin forms. USDT BUSD, USDC BUSD, TUSD BUSD, DAI BUSD. Stablecoin forms is very unique because the chances for permanent loss is very low because these coins doesn't move up in value that much. It's small percentages. And I do like getting into the stable coins for safety. But I'll show you my strategy as soon as we get there. They have a Bitcoin ETH form, a ETH 𝙏𝐵NB, a Bitcoin 𝙏𝐵NB, and a ETH USDC. Now, if you look at the different percentages, all of them range around 50% and lower. Going all the way up, the 𝙏𝙗 pools is the best paying percentages currently. 140% APR and 150% APR. If we move over to the different pools with the single assets, we can see 𝙏𝙗, which is a very important one in my strategy, giving us an APR of 239%. 𝙏𝐵NB, 335%. You gotta remember, these APRs is gonna fluctuate depending on the amount of volume staked. The BUSD pool, massively important in my opinion, 285%. Also remember, these pools has a deposit fee of 6%, and this 6% goes into the vault to keep on growing the BUSD for rewards. Looking at more single pairs, ETH, 341% APR, Cake 420% APR, and Bitcoin, 361 APR. It's very new, the APRs is still high. Over time, it might drop. Even if people take out a lot of their value, it might go up. Looking at the Pigpen, and this is where we need to end up, staking some pigs. Now the Pigpen is our government staking protocol where holders of the pigs tokens become owners of the platform by staking their pigs. As an owner of the platform, you not only earn high yield BUSD dividend, which is generated from the platform deposit fees, as well as the taxes associated with the underlying assets. You also get a vote on future proposals presented by the development team. So the main focus is, however you structure your own strategy, is to get into the Pigpen and build your structure from there. Compounding or taking your BUSD as rewards. Now for my strategy, how I'm going to structure my opportunity. The first one we can look at is I'm getting into the BUSD pool. I put in $2,000 minus the 6% fee, meaning I'm getting rewards on $1,880. And my rewards are earned in the form of the 𝙏𝙗 token. Now, every time I harvest my BUSD profits, I'm going to use those 𝙏𝙗 and I'm going to put them straight into the 𝙏𝙗 pool, which is earning me 233% currently. The 𝙏𝙗 pool is paying out in pigs. So everything I'm harvesting from the 𝙏𝙗 pool, I'll be putting back into the Pigpen, growing my pigs and earning BUSD. Now you got an option. You can take all the BUSD you've earned and you can put it back into the BUSD pool, meaning you're compounding and you're circulating. And as you do this, all your pools is growing and growing, making your rewards coming in faster and faster the bigger you get, depending on the APR, if it drops or if it's moving up or standing still. And the second and the final option you can look at is you can, same strategy, take your BUSD pool, take your rewards to your darks pool, take your picks from your darks pool rewards to the Pigpen, and from the Pigpen, you can take your BUSD and bank it. Now, the safe option is in the beginning to bank all your BUSD and make sure you get your invested capital back first before compounding. But it's everyone's own decision on how they want to structure it and how they want to take profits. My idea is compound the one day, take profits the second day. This way, I keep on growing my portfolio and I keep on taking the dividends and paying myself. I'm seeing the animal farm as a great opportunity. Leave me your thoughts and concerns down below. What do you think of this option? Have a great one.